I'm making this steel plate for the exhaust. I'm gonna drill some holes and try to attach this one. Let's see how it turns out. This one is what I'm replacing, the Hysong. I'm gonna make a new one like this. So I drilled small holes here, and I'm gonna put some bolts there and nuts. Try to keep it there, and then paint it all. Pretty nice. This is aluminium and this is steel. This one, I have the exhaust, and it goes like this. Looks pretty good. I made this piece for the exhaust.
I can't look you in the face. I don't